Hey there! Today, I'm excited to show you how to make a delightful dessert using carrots. Whether you're preparing for Ramadan or just want a tasty treat, this recipe is perfect for any occasion. Let's get started! I've got 3 carrots here, all washed and peeled. Chop them into pieces and grind with a half cup of milk to make a paste. Now the paste is ready. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee to a hot pan. When the ghee is heated, add the carrot paste that we prepared earlier. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. I couldn't show you because the camera wasn't on. Cook it until the raw flavor of the carrot is gone. After it's cooked, add half a cup of milk. Mix well and let the milk heat up. When the milk is heated, add a half cup of semolina rava. Keep mixing them. Keep mixing to prevent it from becoming hard. Now that the semolina is cooked and the mixture has thickened, you can turn off the flame. Let it cool down. After cooling, grease your hands with ghee and shape the mixture into small balls. Now the balls are ready to be cooked. Grease the steamer with oil or ghee. Place the balls in the steamer. Cover and steam for 5 minutes over medium heat. After cooling, it has become soft. Keep it aside. Add a half liter of milk to the pan. Allow the milk to heat up. After the milk has heated, add a 1/4 cup of sugar. When the milk starts to thicken, add a half cup of condensed milk. And also add 3 cardamom powder for flavoring. Stir until well combined. The milk has become thick. Now, add the steamed carrot balls to the mixture. I'm not adding all the balls. I'm keeping some aside for garnish. Mix well. I'm adding a rice flour mixture made by combining 2 tablespoons of milk with 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Stir continuously while adding the mixture. Cover it for 1 minute and let the balls absorb the milk mixture. Add chopped almonds. Now that the mixture has thickened, you can turn off the heat. Garnish with reserved bulbs and chopped almonds. The carrot dessert is ready to serve. This dessert is incredibly tasty, easy to make, and perfect for Ramadan or any occasion. Don't miss out on this delicious treat. You've got to try it. And what's more, it's a healthier dessert option. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.